Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi kepada yang terhormat Prof. Dr. Arita Marini ME dan juga Dr. Gustiarmi MPD selaku dosen mata kuliah publikasi ilmiah dan juga kolokium. Saya Mita Nabila Kesya dengan NIM 1107 622225 izin memaparkan manuskrip saya yang berjudul Development of Quizzes Multimedia as an Interactive Media to Improve Reading Comprehension Skills of Indonesia Short Story Text in 4th Grade Elementary Students. Yang pertama ada introduction atau background. Education is an important process that shapes students' cognitive and literacy skills, enabling them to understand, analyze, and interpret different types of text. One of the crucial skills that elementary school students must master is reading comprehension, as this skill forms the basis for learning in all subjects. However, in reality, many grade 4 elementary school students experience difficulties in understanding short story text. Some of the factors that cause this problem include lack of motivation, learning methods that are still conventional, and the lack of interactive media that can help improve student understanding. Reading comprehension learning that only focus on reading text and answering written questions is often uninteresting for students. They tend to consider reading as a monotonous and less fun activity. In today's digital era, where technology has an important role in education, more interactive learning methods are needed to increase students' engagement and motivation in understanding text. In today's digital era, the use of technology in learning has grown rapidly, including in the teaching of reading comprehension skills. One increasingly popular approach is interactive multimedia-based learning, which utilizes applications such as quizzes to increase student engagement and learning effectiveness. Various studies have shown that this platform can provide a more engaging learning experience, increase student motivation, and improve their learning outcomes. The study results show that the app is not only engaging and motivational, but can also help improve students' reading comprehension skills. Quizzes makes them more confident and more active in the learning process, which shows great potential in its use for reading learning at the elementary school level. The development of quizzes as an interactive quiz media in learning can improve student achievement, assist teachers in preparing interest evaluation, and create a more fun and interactive learning atmosphere. Problem formulation. This research seeks to answer the question, does the use of interactive multimedia based on the quizzes application affect the reading comprehension of short story text in grade 4 elementary school students? This research aims to answer the following problems. 1. How to develop quizzes-based learning to improve reading comprehension of short story text. 2. Is there a difference in student reading comprehension test results after implementation quizzes-based learning? State of the art. In recent years, the age of digital-based learning media has grown rapidly, particularly interactive platforms such as quizzes. Various studies have shown that quizzes is effective in increasing learning motivation, student engagement, and the efficiency of learning assessment. Several studies, such as those by Surya and Prathala, and Jankovic and Lembek, conclude the quizzes is effective for game-based learning and contributes to improve overall academic achievement. Furthermore, research by Aminatri et al. Demonstrate that quizzes can enhance elementary students' reading interest. However, it has not yet been specifically developed as a primary instructional medium for teaching reading comprehension of Indonesian short story text. Selanjutnya ada literature review. 1. Interactive multimedia in Indonesian language learning. The utilization of interactive multimedia in basic education has become an effective learning strategy in improving student learning outcomes. Various proof studies, such as those presented by Isa and Arnada et al., emphasize that interactive multimedia can create a more interesting, interactive, and conducive learning environment. Learning media that combine visual and audio elements encourage active student involvement and strengthen understanding of the material due to the presentation of information that is easier to digest and fun. 2. Reading comprehension of short story text in elementary school. Reading comprehension is one of the important skills of Indonesian language learning that emphasize student ability to understand the content of reading thoroughly. In practice, many elementary school students have difficulty understanding text due to low interest in learning, monotonous teaching methods, and lack of interesting learning media. This has an impact on students' low ability to capture literal and inferential information from the text they read. Therefore, innovation is needed in the use of learning media that can attract students' attention and facilitate the reading comprehension process. Research by Aminarti, Sulfasya, and Rahmawati showed that the use of quizzes media in Indonesian language learning proved effective in improving students' reading comprehension skills. Students are not only able to answer questions appropriately, but also show improvement in understanding the structure and content of reading text. The use of this media help teacher is providing varied exercise and according to student needs. Thank you. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.